Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's start rebuilding work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about set asset and set credential. So what mean by set asset and set credential? So before that, I hope you have watched our get asset and get credential. Hope that makes sense and it will give you a good idea. So set asset and set credential. So it used to set the values from the studio to orchestrator. So what it means? So already an asset will be created. So it may be like password got expired. Okay, so you will be facing like password expired, right? So you can update your password from the studio to orchestrator. So with the help of this set activity, you can update the username, password, and then if a phone number anything is updated, you can update those. Let me quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio and we can have an exercise. So let's go to the orchestrator. Okay. So let's go to the asserts which are created on late on yesterday's session. So which is ACME portal. Just go here. Okay. Just click on these three dots. Okay. Edit. So this is a right credential, correct? So what you can do, so we can update this credential in a wrong way. Okay, wrong. So just click on update. Okay. So I have this updated the credential wrongly. Okay. So I just done intentionally to update the password. Okay. So the password which is updated is wrong now. Okay. So what I will do now, so with the help of set credential activity, okay, I will just set the password. I will make the password as a correct one. Okay. So what I will do now, so I will just give the asset name. So what are the asset name here? ACME portal, correct? Okay. So now what is the password? So what is the correct password? So this will be my correct password, correct? So previously I have updated the password wrongly intentionally with the name of Wiki. Okay. So what is the username of the particular asset? It should be Wiki, correct? So I'll go to the studio, double quotes, Wiki. So I just using double quotes. This take the input as a string. Okay. So wherever I have double quoted, those takes inputs as a string. Okay. So what this will make? This will update my my password from Wiki to this correct password. Okay. So how I can see that? So using get credential activity. Okay. So we have to see, right? So as we know that the place will be automatically, it will be like a decrypted, so nothing we cannot see over here, correct? So how we can see whether the password is updated correctly or not? So using the get credential activity. So the same assert name, okay, and then so what are the username? So you can declare as password, okay, and then one second, and then create a variable for the username, okay. So we have updated the password first of all wrongly intentionally, and then we are using the set credential to correct the like a mistype or something which are done now. Okay, and then we are seeing whether the like set credential has done the duty correctly or not. Okay, so where you can print, you can use the right line itself. Okay, so what you can do here? Double quotes, username, colon. So it will help you to understand what you have entered. Okay, that's what I was doing. Username. Okay. Sorry, I have written a wrong window. Right over here. Okay, perfect. Just clear it all this. Click on OK. Okay. So we have entered the username. So same likewise you have entered the password also, right? So go in the same place. You can use a separator and you can differentiate the password as well. Okay. So if you want to append something, plus mark, double quotes, and differentiate with anything, okay. Then again plus mark, use password. Okay. So what are you going to do now? So you have to going to print your password also, correct? So if you're using password, you'll be getting an error. So why getting error? So as we all know that in right line we are going to print only string, correct? But what is this password contains? It's a secure string, correct? You can see here, it is a secure string. In this also you can find it's a, not a string, it is a secure string. So there is a way to decode it from secure string into string. So what is the way? So I have already a predefined function which help you to decrypt. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, so this particular function will help you to decrypt your password. So what is PW? So this PW which where we have to change your username password. Okay, so password. So I guess I can see my password, right? So click on that one, password. Okay, still I was getting error. Okay, this curly brace extra. Okay, fine. So I guess this is perfect, right? So I have entered the username and then password. So I have used this function. So to just to decrypt my secure string into string. Okay. So this particular function will help you to decrypt. Okay. So you can directly use. So what I will do in two ways. Okay, so that you can understand. Password dot to string. Okay, this will not enter my password. Okay, I will do two ways so that you can understand. So in right line, you will be seeing username and the password will be uh, like a secure dot string. So it will be like that only. It will not enter your password. You will not able to visible your password. Okay, so you have to decrypt. So let me do in a two way so that you can understand the difference between the both the things. See, you are used a set credential activity, but you will not able to see your password. Correct? So what it says secure string system dot security dot string. So you're not able to see, right? So what you can do, can use our old decrypt function now. Okay, now you'll be able to see the password. So you can ensure that your set credential activity is done its duties perfectly. So let me wait for a second. So this set credential will update the password now. So once it is updated, so it will come to the get credential. Okay, so get credential will help you to get credentials. Output panel, you can see your username and the password. See, you're able to see the password right now. Yeah, that is the thing. So using this decode method, you can decrypt the secure string to string. Okay. So what actually the output? So we have changed our password using the set credential activity. Okay. So likewise, you can use the set assert activity as well. Let me comment out these things first of all. Drag and drop here. Okay. So set assert activity. So set assert. So what are the next asserts we have created using in text and integer? Okay, this is the two asserts, correct? Let me go there. Let me cancel. Let me change. Here's business. Okay. So once you have entered business, you can get two assets, correct? So what I will do, I'll just update this email address and I'll update the phone number and then I will print in a studio. Okay. So just copy this. Okay. So paste the asset name. What are the new value which you are going to provide? So you can provide the new value. So wiki at outlook.com. So anything. Okay. So this is anything you can provide. Okay. So you are going to update, just update. And then second thing, the business phone number. Okay. So the phone number also keep on will be changing, right? So can use your double quotes, space though there, phone number. So double quotes. What are the value? 91 blah blah blah. Phone. Yeah. So this may be the number. Okay. So what it will do? So this is our current mail ID and then so current phone number. Correct. So it will be updated now with the help of set asset activity. Let me drag a right line. So actually, like we don't need the right line, so we can explicitly see in orchestrator as well. Okay. Let me debug. Okay. So once you debug, so you have to refresh over there. You can see the changes on that. Let me wait for the execution to get done. Mm, it's working. Ooh, 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 why you are getting error? Okay, so you use plus character, right? So that's why I guess. So let me stop. So we have to use only integer character. Okay, let me save one. Let me run now. Let me wait for a second again. So let it get completed now. So I hope you will not get error because so we have used plus character, right? So what are the asset type? Previously it was integer, correct? So integer will take only integer numbers. So it will not take like phone. Again error. What happened? It's quite okay. So see, like we are like habit of using double quotes anywhere. Like see, this is a integer, correct? So what you have, you should not use a double quotes over here. Okay. Okay, kind of silly mistakes which are doing now. So yeah, this is a string, right? So based upon data type, we have to provide the value as we know that's text. So it can be string, integer. So it should be number only. Just save here. Just debug run. It should work perfect now. So you can see something called as yeah, execution is done successfully. Correct. So just go to the UiPath asset. Perfect. See, you can see here, right? So it got updated now. So the values got changed now. So like what the mistakes we have done here. So the main thing, so we should not use a double quotes. Okay, so we are just an integer value, right? So you have to use double quote. And one more thing, so no need to use any special character over there. Okay, because it's an integer, it will not get any special characters. Okay, so and then the characters of as we know that numbers, it should be like stipulated numbers only. So which means like 10 digits. Okay, so which is maybe phone number. Okay, so I hope yeah, this is perfect. So we have updated your assets. So using set asset, we have updated our phone number and user ID, and then we have used our set credential activity as well. So I hope yeah, so it will be helpful for you. So I hope you'll be expert with the get asset and credit credential now. So the mistakes which are doing like it is intentionally so that you'll be like so you'll be not facing the issues. So I was just doing like how usually everyone used to do. So if you are not using a double quote, special character, this is kind of a common mistake. So I hope each and everyone will do. So to indicate those things, so we in our channel, so we are like inventory doing those things so that you'll be find out so yeah, okay, this is error, so you have to sort out in these things. So I hope you like the videos. You have watched assets, set asset, get asset, so those will give you how to work with the assets. Yeah, thanks for watching. Happy learning. Do like and share, subscribe.